Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate how to hand rub with sanitizer. It might be well worth pointing out at this point, if your hands appear to be dirty or any visual signs of them being dirty, using this process and sanitizing your hands will not work. It won't be safe, so you must wash your hands in warm soapy water before you start the process. Okay, so we're going to take our hand sanitizer and we're going to squeeze a couple of squirts to give yourself a fair amount in the palm of your hand, and then we're going to put our palms together and we're going to rub. Then we're going to turn our right hand over and put our left hand on top of our right hand, interlock our fingers and then rub like so, and then we'll do the other side. What we're doing here is we're getting the hand sanitizer between our fingers. Then we'll put palm to palm again, interlock the fingers and just give them a rub. Then we're going to do our thumbs. So we would grab a thumb and then just give it a little twist, and then we will grab the other thumb and give that a twist. Once we've completed that process, we need to do the back of our fingers. So we're going to make a little cupped palm and a little fist. We're going to put our fist in the palm and we're just going to rub backwards and forwards like so to cover all of our fingers, and then we'll do the same on the other side. Once we've done this, we need to do our fingertips. So again, we'll make a palm, get our tips, put them in our palm and just lightly scratch over the palm, and then we'll do the other hand like so. Once we've done this, we'll let our hands dry, and once they're dry, we're good to go. Everything's safe and everything's good to go. Now, this technique was introduced by the WHO, the World Health Organization, which they are saying is the best way in order to clean your hands with the sanitizer, covering all parts of your hands. I hope you found this short video helpful, and all it remains for me to say is stay safe, and I'll see you again soon.